Busy mornings? No time to cook? Same here. But skipping breakfast or grabbing junk? Not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, high-protein breakfast in just 5 minutes. No chef skills needed, and yes, it's perfect for weight loss, energy, and muscle building. Let's get into it. Protein is key in the morning. It fuels your brain, keeps you full, and kickstarts your metabolism. The problem? Most people grab toast, cereal, or just coffee. Low protein, quick crash. This 5-minute breakfast will keep you full until lunch, support fat loss, and save you time. 5-minute high-protein egg wrap. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, 1 handful spinach or kale, 1 tortilla or wrap, salt, pepper, chili flakes, optional, 1 teaspoon olive oil or butter. Let's get cracking, literally. Step 1. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add salt, pepper, and a dash of chili flakes if you like it spicy. Step 2. Whisk it, toss in a handful of spinach, and pour into a hot pan with olive oil. While it cooks, grab a tortilla or wrap. Once the egg is mostly cooked, place the tortilla right on top in the pan. Let it sit for 30 seconds, then flip. The egg is now stuck perfectly to the wrap. Now here's the protein power-up. Add 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt right in the center. Fold it up, and boom! Crispy, creamy, full of protein, ready to go in under 5 minutes. You can remix this in so many ways. Add shredded chicken or tofu for extra protein. Use a high-protein wrap or low-carb tortilla. Want it dairy-free? Swap cottage cheese with hummus or avocado. The point is, you're fueling your body with 20 to 25 grams of protein, in minutes. I started making this when I was skipping breakfast too often. I'd crash by 11 a.m., snack on junk, and just feel meh. Now, I'm full, focused, and saving money on coffee shop runs. Plus, it tastes amazing. If you're someone who says, I don't have time to eat healthy, this is your go-to. Comment below. What's your favorite quick breakfast hack? And hey, if this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and share this with a friend who skips breakfast. That's it, a high-protein breakfast, made fast, eaten faster. Stay healthy, stay fueled. See you in the next one.